secret. Here is my love, secret lover. Okay, we're gonna open this present only after 1 year. How many? We did it? Five done, right? So, one more is for Victoria, right? So, very good. Pangaparuk. Case Rook. Artui. In one case, how many is there? 18. So, pare zel ni chuan paruk kan tita, chuan kan thuk ro ve kan he kan chei ve kan color. We color it. Okay, kung nga chuan in Artui no kan noi zong do na kan no de lang chelang mo we gonna count the eggs. Okay, we are ready. Oh my God! How many you got, Evie? How many you got, Evie? Look at that! Why did you drop? Put inside. Don't put outside. Did you drop it all, Evie? Look here. You one there, one. You see one there? Carry it and don't drop it outside. How about you, my boyfriend? How many you got already?
I don't know.
Here is my boyfriend. Let me see your ex. Yeah. Okay.
Wait. I found something.
Here is mommy. What? She's crying? Hi. Did you enjoy?
What I love about my mom,
Ellie, did you enjoy your?
a very patient, kind woman.
Lee,
She's
behind you. Oh. Evie, come, I'll tell you where to hide. Hey, I found it here. Come with me here. Get it. Here too. Where else? Let's look for it. Under, inside the box. Inside the box. Hey, inside the box. There. Yeah. You see? You get it. How about you, boy? Hey. Say Galome. Evie. Come here. Don't cry. Let's go. I'll go with you. Come, let's go and find Evie, come here. We will look for her. There is and on top of your nana there. Come. Here. Take it. There. Oh my God, here, Evie. Here. Evie. Get it. Come, let's go and get it here. Come this side. I think there is more. I found it there. You see there? Go for it. Go for it before you let go. There.
Yeah, I found it.
What is this? Let's go around. Yeah. Evie. Come here.
Look at this.
Eve, look at me.
Mommy, it's me.
Evie, look at me.
Yeah. I found it one here. You see? Okay. Okay, let's go around and see more. Huh?
Wait, tell me where to eat.
I didn't see it.
We know where to eat.
How many you got eggs? You don't remember?
Quentin, it's different.
Let me see. Oh my god, it's a lot of them. Oh my god. Do you love it?
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you feel about today? Did you enjoy?
Yeah. I like it.
You like it? Okay, good girl. How many eggs you got? Let me see. Let me video it.
Did they get them all?
Oh, that's
Is that
nice.
this one?
Do you like it?